Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Today we are going to remove the evaporator core in this under Integra for cleaning, and also remove and replace the receiver dryer. So guys, the under Integra and the Civic use the same AC system. Once is the EK3 engine inside of it. This is the receiver dryer, and the evaporator core is right here. So we're going to remove the core and clean it, and install a brand new receiver dryer on the system. The first thing we are doing is removing the battery terminal. Guys, if you're new on this channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time we drop a new video. So guys, we have these two pipes to pull, liquid pipe and the low side pipe. So guys, the two pipes removed. It's time now to pull inside. So we remove the 3 bolt that hold this bracket here, and we already pulled off the thermostat connection. So we're going to remove the bolts that hold the evaporator core housing on the blower motor case and the heater case. So guys, we finished pull the bolts them, so we're going to remove the core now. This is the evaporator core there, guys, and look inside of it. A lot of debris. So we're gonna pull up the housing apart, and What a mess. Look like all bird all living inside of this speaker. Oh my gosh. Even in the housing. Guys, we are cleaning the evaporator core now, spraying on the chemical. So guys, we already cleaned up the housing. We finished cleaning up the evaporator core. We finished install the evaporator core and tighten up back the bracket. Guys, this is how we get the vehicle to work on. It's time now to remove and replace the receiver dryer. Guys, we remove the two pipe and the receiver dryer. As we are pulling out the receiver dryer now. And this is it. Guys, this is the new receiver dryer. We finished tightening up the receiver dryer and install back the battery. So right now we are going to pressurize the system and check for a leak. So guys, we are checking the system to see if there is any leak on it. So far, no leak on it. We start the engine and turn on the AC. Compressor running. And we are regassing the system now. So guys, we fully recharge the system and you can see the AC compressor cycling. Cycle out now, waiting on it to chip in back. Compressor chip in. Going to check inside now. And the AC is blowing cold. Another successful job from Kirk Schooler Auto. Guys, please like and share this video, and if you're new on this channel, please subscribe. Until next time, peace out.